Student, today we will again discuss some examples of Newton's third law of motion. This question is given in your NCERT book in text question. It is here the question is that if action is always equal to reaction, how a horse can pull a cart? Here I have made the figure of the cart. This is suppose the figure of the horse. They are attached with a rope. Now see the number of forces. That means the normal reaction. Normal reaction, that means surface applying the force on the cart. Here normal NC stands for normal reaction of the cart. WC stands for weight of the cart. This normal reaction is equal to weight of the cart. Now normal reaction applied on the horse, that is also equal to the weight of the horse. So they balanced each other. The tension applied by the horse on the rope and the tension applied by the cart on the rope is also equal. Now only thing is that the hoop of the horse or the feet of the horse that is in contact is like this with the surface. This applies a force on the floor and the floor is also applying the force. That means there is the action and reaction between the hoop and the floor. This is the reason that the cart moves forward. I have clearly written here the force applied by the hoop of the horse and the force applied by the floor acts as action and reaction pair. Since they act on two different bodies, so they never cancel out and hence the horse moves. Now another question is, that is question number 12 of NCERT. We have read that according to third law of motion, when we push an object, the object pushes back with an equal and opposite force. Now if the object is a massive truck, it will not move. That means the truck is in contact with the ground, but it is not moving. What could be the reason? We have seen in the Newton's third law of motion, action and reaction pair. Always every action has equal and opposite reaction. It is clear. Then you move further. Again, second point, we have seen that action and reaction always acts on two different bodies and they never cancel out. So this statement or this explanation is totally wrong. Now what could be the exact explanation that truck is not moving? Truck is also applying the force and the surface is also applying the force, but the force applied by the surface is not sufficient in comparison to the force applied by the truck. So the truck is not moving. I have written here, since action and reaction acts on two different bodies, so they never cancel out. As per Newton's third law, so the explanation is totally wrong. Now the right explanation is that the force applied by the ground is insufficient in comparison to the force applied by the truck.